everybody, we have finished the turkey area. We separated a 30 by 30 foot area for them inside our bird area to keep them out of the pond, because we heard that they drown easy. So we fenced off this area for them, and then we made a two-sided house for them. So come with me as I move the turkeys from the chicken/turkey tractor, because they're getting way too big for that.
And I'll show you those chicken tractors and exactly how we made the new bird area and turkey pen. Plus, you won't want to miss the reaction of the emus and other friends in the bird area. And I have lots of new building projects planned for my birds, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss these updates.
So come with us. Our chicken tractor is also triple as our duck tractor, turkey tractor, and chicken tractor.
If you'd like to see my original PVC Chicken Tractor video where I invent and build the first of these chicken tractors, click here. I built each of these PVC chicken tractors for $180 or less, depending on the PVC you have on hand. The original idea for using chicken tractors for pastured poultry is that by moving the tractors once or twice daily provides fresh new grass. I designed these tractors because the John Suscovich wood tractor is way too heavy for me to pull. Wood is expensive and prone to ants and termites. I pull these PVC chicken tractors by myself every couple of days. But these turkeys now are bigger than our chickens, so we're gonna build them a new place. And this is us taking a seesaw break after installing 6-foot fencing with our parents. We need to make sure that the emus can't jump out of the pen when they're bigger, so that's what the 6-foot fencing is for. So Buckbeak, how do you feel about the new turkey neighbors? Mom and I added this new gate to the bird area so that we don't have to go into the barnyard to enter. And this is the new home we're building for our laying hens. But this beautiful new pen is for our turkeys. Sorry, Buckbeak and Griffin, but you'll have to go around now. My first step was to dig 4 2-foot deep holes. This was most likely the hardest part of this build because we haven't gotten any rain lately and the ground was solid. After I finished digging the posts, which took forever and a half, I placed 2 timber posts in front that I cut 1 foot off of and 2 in back that I cut 2 feet off of. I think I'll need a new blade because this one is smoking. Burying the posts, Mom was a great help, although sometimes it felt like I was the help. After the posts were in, I decided that I didn't want them moving around, which was probably a good idea, so I screwed these 2x3s across each board so that it would stay square and pretty stable. Once that was done, I grabbed this galvanized metal sheeting that I took from an old lean-to that were taken down. Honestly, this ladder is about as stable as, well, ever heard of cow tipping? I have 2 columns of cedar planks that are 3.5 feet, and I covered the seam with a 2x3. These cedar planks are fairly cheap. They're called dog-eared planks, and all I did was trim the ends off of them, and they fit pretty well. They make a great wall if you ask me. They're actually kind of pretty. For the very top one on the side, we had to cut an angle off of it so that it would fit. But that's the finished project of my 2-sided lean-to. Cleanup time. Why you guys leaving this stuff around here? Somebody's gotta clean up. Look, Griffin, look what they left around here. This is nuts. Nuts, I tell ya. Now where's those turkeys? Somebody bring the turkeys. Alright, Bunkie, let's get these guys to their new turkey pen. Bunkie is carrying a midget white turkey. This turkey was bred to be not much bigger than a chicken and provide a family with just the right amount of turkey meat. Midget whites lost popularity about the same time the refrigerator gained popularity. We still think it's a cool prepping idea and wanted to give him a try. I'm carrying a Narragansett turkey, and it is a cross between the Native American turkey and the ones brought over by pilgrims. We thought they'd be the coolest looking turkey and sounded like the best bird for Thanksgiving.
Hey Trie, if turkeys can't fly very well and they were brought here before the pilgrims, then whose boat did they come over on?
That's a great question, but shh, we can't ask those questions or we might find out our history books don't make sense. Then you'll start doubting the news channels and the politicians, and then what?
Huh?
Don't worry, Bunkie. We have prepping friends like Uncle Al and Bushcraft family. Look what the new neighbors think. Our emus, Buckbeak and Griffin, look fascinated, and Hagrid, our rooster, and our Muscovy ducks look interested too.
So it looks like the turkeys are pretty happy here now. So we'll see how they do.
Watch closely and you'll see Bunkie and I get outsmarted by Taryn and Mary. Wait for it.
Wow, look at that recovery. You might just think this happens a lot.
Thanks so much for being here, and remember, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks, God bless.